Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Today we're going to do a test shot on a Vibiemme. This espresso machine came in with a little calcium buildup. We rebuilt the steam wand and the hot water valve, did some work on the group head, and cleaned up some of the calcium and some of the loose fittings in the back. Working really good, nice and smooth. I have some fresh coffee in the portafilter, so it should come out really nice. Oh, look at that.
Oh, you're having a hard time hearing?
There we go. Nice shot from this Vibiemme. I'm going to cut it just a little short for the test. Show you the steam. Nice, strong steam. Just check the hot water. Shuts right off. It's replenishing the boiler. Anyway, there you have it. Thank you very much for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and for more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.